So our producer calls this one fun, bubble fun. I'm really questioning her definition of fun and also her sanity. But anyway, we're supposed to be blowing bubbles. And the real aim of the game is to, after we blow the bubbles, we're going to blow, after we blow the bubbles, we're going to the bubbles through the hula hoop. Why never just make us jump through? Because that would probably be easier, don't it?
Me's a good blower, so
Well,
I just feel safe. Me can do
I
this.
won't even.
We can do this.
Are
Hold on.
you really going to have us do this for 5.5
Wait,
minutes?
Where you go?
Well, the aim is to start low.
Yeah,
it
but
would
where you
seem.
go? Oh, the aim is to start low and go down for your knee.
I was trying to get him into the hair.
All right, the aim is to start low. Wait to go up to the ear.
Oh, come on, guy. That's just spiteful.
Hold on, Simon. We are go.
Oh,
Where
man.
gone?
Spiteful. No. Don't do me that.
Me love it.
Wickedness.
Me love it. You're dead now.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3.
No, it come back the side. It come back out.
Yeah, at least 3 went through the hoop.
No,
a while
it
ago.
did not.
I'm telling you, ask Jody, she's filming it. Don't be like that.
Not never got you.
No, we never got those rules.
Come down to your done spot. Where you go? Oh, I know what to do, you know. I
Look
know
there,
what
look
to do.
there, look.
One
So
got
many.
you.
Several.
No, this is the only one that got you. See it right there.
Several went through.
Why are you so close, though?
God, this is the only way.
Oh, it's the only way?
Did you have those
Okay.
go through a while ago?
Thanks for telling me it's the only way.
You could stay right here, say, yeah?
40 got you.
I'm
44,
so winning.
47 gone through.
Them pretty.
What pretty?
Oh, what the bubbles, them.
All right, I went do it the right way.
Transfixing. Well, my pants are full of bubble. Double bubble. Okay, I'm gonna give it one more shot. This does not have. Wait, let me see something.
I am going to show you something now that you have never seen in your life. I'm just going to stay from here and blow it and don't blow again. And none not
I'm
going to
so
go through.
awesome. Did you see that? Oh, I did it. I won.
By the way,
Just
who count how much bubble
you
got
have to have
you?
a precision of breath.
A
Can't blow
precision.
too hard, it can't blow too soft. Have
No,
to be a medium
I'm
blow.
an incredibly good blower.
So let's prove that.
Well, I will prove it now. Precision of breath.
No, Nev.
Huh?
Really?
Where's the precision of that breath, please?
It's stuck into my throat.
I like this.
I'm doing this one more time.
All right. No, man, that's 2 minutes to leave, that is?
No, I'm done. Undisputed. I've done it. Queen of... Well, okay, Marv. No, really? Really? That was not a part of the...
Mine got through and come back out.
You know when you go to the river and you catch a big fish?
Yeah, man.
Yes, now look how you mash up people them prop.
Well,
Never look what you did.
So I am a big fish. Can you imagine somebody just turn on and all them ears? I'm a big fish.
What I meant to say is that you're a nice cut of salmon.
Okay. All right, folks.
You love salmon, right?
I am a kingfish.
Snapper.
Somebody just turn on and just say, never say, oh, I'm a big fish. I say, yeah, no, I didn't know. For a long time.
There's nothing wrong with fish. We take a break on
Not a
Smile. We'll be
thing.
right back. Why?